Hey guys, I am doing a video of an older piece today, a piece that was requested, the Amgard corpse, which it's been ages since I've done it, and I had memories of it being an awesome piece, and I came back to it and I wasn't able to play it at all because it was super hard and I forgot how hard it was. So I've been working on it and I've been using it as my practice for the last while, and I've just recorded a take of it with using these mics, something I hadn't been doing before. It's going to be my first attempt at using an interface and using software and trying to record for myself, so it's probably not going to be great, but I'm confident that it's going to be better than the mic on top of the camera. So that's what I had been using before. There's a Rode mic on top of the DSLR camera. So Amgard Corpse is a 6/8 piece. It's a marching style. Corpse is in the name. Matt McDonough is the guy who wrote it. It's 110 BPM, 6/8 timing, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. It's fast. Okay, so sticking, which hand you decide to use, it's really important to this piece. Okay, so let's take it sectionally, and the first section is starting with 6 and, because it's 2 semiquavers at the very start of the bar, which is at the very end of the bar. What I mean is it's going 6 and then 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we don't have a full bar to start. 6 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. That's the first section, just those first two lines, going from bar 9, starting with a right hand accent, 1 2 and 3. Now this is where you have a choice. You can go 1 2 and 3 4 5 6 1 2. So accent with the right, keeping it all single, accent with the right again on the 4, and then the 1 is going to come on the left. I prefer to do a double with the semiquavers there, 1 2 and 3. Then the accent will be on the left for the 4 4 5 6, and then I'm back straight on the right with the 1 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is not indicated on the piece, but this is the way to do it. 1 2 and 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 and 3 4 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Next line starting on 13. 1 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 1 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 1 2 and 3 and 4 5 and 6 and 1 2 3 4 and 5 and 6. And very important that you get your sticking right there. It's indicated on the piece. It has to be followed that way. So you're starting with a 1 on the right hand, and then 4 and 5 and 6 and right right left left right right. 17 opens with a left hand lead. It's uncomfortable, but practice it correctly and you won't end up making the mistake I did, which is completely ignoring the sticking, playing it with a right hand lead, and then having to train myself. So there's two different things going on here. You got a foot pattern coming in with a splash on the 4 on the hi-hat. So the feet on its own is going 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. If you're really uncomfortable with the feet, especially with the left foot, that's something you need to work on. So let's just try it at that slow tempo. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then 21 starts with the right hand lead, like I had in error been practicing 17. 1 2 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So get those accents on that tom. Right hand up on the rack tom. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Splitting the flams, and basically doing a tap on the lefts. Okay, continuing on, 25. That's a flam on the 1 and silence on the 4 5 6. Okay, next section, again, two things happening, foot pattern and hand pattern. So if you're really comfortable with your feet it's going to be just bass drum on 1, 2, 3, bass and hats on 4, 5, 6, bass drum on 1, 2, 3, bass and hats on 4, 5, 6. So it's basically bass, both, bass, both. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. Practice that and then practice the hands. 1, 2, 3, floor tom and snare. 1, 2. Second rack tom, left hand. 4, 5, 6. First rack tom, right hand. That's 33, 34. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the foot pattern has to be happening here too. Starting back on the floor tom for 35. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 36 changes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this is our pattern from 33. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Practice that. 2. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take your time with it. You don't have to go fast. Continuing on 37. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then it changes for 39. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That foot pattern remains the same for this whole section. So I'm going to take it from 33, a little bit faster, but you want to keep this slow until you're comfortable with it. Honestly, the reason I wanted to do that a little faster is because I'm more comfortable doing that faster. We have the same thing happening with hands now from 41. What's changing is we're now doing a splash on the hi-hat pedal. Instead of hitting it closed on 4, we're going to splash it. So it's going to be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A little bit tricky, but let's try it from 41. Okay, if you can get through those 2 sections and do it smooth, that's a huge accomplishment. 47 starts a new section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we're going to stop for a second because that's the end of that section, and we're into a very, very quiet just snare pattern. 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. Rest for 2, 3. Well, you don't rest for 2, 3. That rings out for 2, 3, and then you rest on 4, 5, and you're back playing 6 and loud. And our foot pattern is back in, and we're back doing the claps on the hi-hat. So it's 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 4 and 5 and 6 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. End. Okay, that's the whole 3-pager. It's a doozy. It's fast. Practice it slow. Practice it sectionally, and it's something that will really build your ability. Your speed comes with practice. It doesn't come with trying to force yourself. So don't force the speed. Let the speed come with comfortability. If you're comfortable with the piece, the speed will come. I'm going to cut it there because this camera's about to cut off. I think it does this whole, like, after 9 minutes it turns itself off because it's technically a photograph camera, not a video camera. But I'm breaking the law. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you're using this for to play Amgard Corpse. If not, why are you watching these videos? Is it entertaining? I don't know. Let me know if there's more you want to do. There's one more that was requested that I got to start working on, but this was the first one that I worked on. So hopefully this was beneficial. Hopefully the sound is good on the other video, because that's the one I was using the mics on. I didn't use them on this because I was doing a lot of talking and I have lapel mic and la la la. Maybe I should have. I don't know. I don't want to be too loud, so I put on the sound mutes. Thanks for watching, guys. And yeah, I'll see you the next time I turn on a camera. Bye.